Look at the energy readings here. It's unstable.
The sign goes right here next to this post.
Looks good.
Oh. I'll secure the fence now. The sensor readings here indicate a high water table. That doesn't match the original survey.
We need to adjust the shoring depth immediately. Stop the operation!
Shut it down now! We have a breach! Look at this symbol right here.
Is that metal still alive?
We need to stop digging until the archaeology team arrives.
That's not on the blueprint.
What kind of foundation is that?
All right, proceed with the excavation. Careful now, only around the edges. We need to see the full structure.
We have an emergency! Initiate immediate shutdown and evacuate the pit!
We've got a clear reading on the southeast array. See the spike?
Yes, analyzing the waveform now.
Look at that depth signature. It's massive.
I see it. Cross-reference the archaeological database immediately.
Are you seeing this?
It's incredible. And terrifying. What do we do now?
Rate of structural compromise confirmed.
We're gonna need full field suppression before we start plating on this hip joint. The internal frame is buckling.
Secure the area.
Sierra 2, continue approach.
Watch your left flank, unstable soil.
It's
moving! Get back!
The ground is shaking. Everybody clear the area.
Right there, hit that joint with the air hose. We need that clear before we can move the plating.
Sierra 1, this is convoy lead. We are exiting the forest. Maintain tight formation. Over.
The structural integrity on the left servo is critical.
We have multiple breaches in the Energon conduit. We need to reroute power now.
Structural integrity is green on the right arm, but the left shoulder pivot is experiencing intermittent failure.
We need to reroute auxiliary power.
Acknowledged. Rerouting now.
Look at the detail on that armor.
I can't believe he's actually here.
Clear the lower scaffolding.
Watch the hydraulics on level 3. My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from Cybertron. We are here to protect this planet.
Do not be afraid. We are here not to conquer, but to protect. We seek only peace with the humans of this planet.
The data aligns with the ancient prophecies.
We must prepare the bridge for activation.
Our mission remains unfinished. The path ahead is long, but we face our destiny together.